All right, it's time for another challenge to exercise some of the things we've learned in the previous couple of lessons. If you get stuck, please review those lessons. I want you to struggle a little bit with this. You're actually going to be asked to do some things that you haven't done before, and they'll be a little bit challenging, and I'll point that out here in just a moment. But at any rate, you can see, first of all, that we have a header here at the very top called Simple Calculator. And then notice that we have a first label and a first value and second value label. They're just text, but their font has been changed to Arial Helvetica. Okay, so make sure you change the font for that text. And then we have two text boxes, and here's what we're going to do. We're just going to type in two numbers, and we're going to then use our addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on those two numbers. So first we'll add those two numbers together and we print out the result in a result label. But look at the result label is different than what we've been using. It has style, okay, just a little bit. Notice that the font is larger, the font is bold, and there is a background color, a light blue color, to the label itself. Now, you're going to need to look in the Properties window to make that change. This is a bonus. If you can't figure this out, we're not going to hold that against you, but this is for bonus points, Bob points. Okay, you can trade them in for, something later on. I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. But if you can, try to look at the properties for the label control and make your label control with a larger font, bold, and with the background color. Okay? So we did the addition step. Let's do the subtraction step. 5 minus 8 is indeed minus 3. We'll do the multiplication step of 5 times 8 is 40. And then we'll do the division step. And notice that we get a decimal value, 0.625. All right, so keep that in mind as you are working through this, that you need to be able to see the decimal values on division. Okay, and that is the assignment. Make sure you call this project Challenge Simple Calculator. Okay, and if you get stuck, take a look at the next lesson where I show you the solution for this project. And good luck. Thank you.